Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how you can use Jio Music in your any smartphone. I will tell you in this video. So let's start the video friends. So first you have to download this MyJio application from your Play Store. You can download it from there. I have just downloaded. Then you have to sign in on login. So here you can see it is showing multiple features are here: finance, music, OTT pass. So you have to simply click on this music. You can download the separate application, that is JioSaavn. So you can download this also. So there are multiple, these songs are here. You can see these are old and new songs. You can download it from here and play it and use as a caller tune also. So that's how you can enable this. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.